Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the craziness. Today we're going to be opening the Sephora Play Box, but first let me remind you that I have a giveaway going on right now. I will put a link right up there, also one down below, so if you want to get in on that before it ends, go ahead and click that and get yourself entered to win lots of makeup and other goodies. Today we're going to be doing the Sephora Play Box. I think I already said that. This is $10 a month, and you get 5 deluxe makeup, skincare, hair care products, and then you get 50 Beauty Insider points to be used in store. One time they did it online, which I used, but they ain't doing that no more. So let's go ahead and cut on into this. Okay, so right here is that with your insider points on it, and then here's everything we're getting in today's bag. I'll let you look at it. I'm not gonna look at it. I want to be surprised. Okay, so let's see. So the bag this month looks like this. It's very basic, which I'm not mad at. That's kind of cute. Bronx is a fan back there, right? See? Bronx approves. All right, let's see what we have. All right, the first thing I'm feeling is a foil packet. This is from Briogeo. It is a blow dry perfection and heat protectant cream, sorry. I've never tried anything from this brand, so I'm not really sure if it's cruelty free. Maybe I'll just save this though. Look into the brand. As always, I will put whether things are cruelty free down below, so if that's your thing like it is mine, you know. If you don't care, then that's fine too. So this is just a foil packet, not really much to call home about. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. So I'm not sure what this is. Okay, there's what it is. It's from Biossance. It is a hydrating gel that uses 100% plant-derived ingredients for brighter, balanced skin. I've never heard of it. Okay, well, let's just stop staring at it and take it out and see what we got in here. So it's just a little pot sample here. It doesn't say whether it's cruelty-free or not. It smells weird. It smells like an alcoholic drink, honestly, like a Mike's Hard Lemonade or something like that. So yeah, it's just I mean, the amount here is so tiny. It's like 2 uses maybe on, if you're lucky. So yeah, I will look into that. Obviously that sample's not even worth giving away. It's like minuscule. So yeah, but yeah, I'm excited to try it. I don't know. It's just a tiny little sample. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing, ooh, sorry, that's exciting to me. Tarte blushes are some of my favorites. They just are really, really nice. I have a color, I don't remember what it's called, but I got an Ipsy and it's one of my like top 5 favorite blushes ever. So this is called Party with 3 A's. That's just what it looks like. Very nice pink color. I'll show you on my finger because I don't know if it's going to swatch well. It is very, very light. Oh, maybe it does. There it is. So it's a really like baby doll pink is almost what I'd call it on the skin. Very, very pretty. These are very, very good blushes. They're very creamy. One of my favorites, so not mad about that. The next thing I have is from Genius. It is a liquid collagen. It says a vegan collagen-based serum that visibly restores skin's suppleness and resilience. I'm not seeing whether it's cruelty-free, but I almost always assume, no, I can't assume that, because some things are vegan on accident, like Oreos. But this is like little like crystals on it. Can you see that? So yeah, they look like they're like hard, but they just melt right into the skin. It just has a nice clean scent to it. So yeah, I will definitely look into this, find out if it's cruelty-free. But it does seem like a cool little product. I love the little packaging on it, so yeah. Okay, got 2 more things it looks like in here. So this is from Korres. It is a Wild Rose Vitamin C Active Brightening Oil. Let's see. So I'm trying to read to see if it smells like roses, because if it smells like roses, I really want nothing to do with it. I just don't like the way roses smell. I mean, in real life, like roses sitting on, you know, in your house, they smell nice, but I don't like, I don't know, like rose scented things I just don't like. So I'm just not gonna open this. It's just this very, very tiny, tiny little sample. But it's cute. Okay. So there's another anti-wrinkle thing. Okay, got one more thing. Save the best for last because I was excited. This is a Tarte lipstick. Just that color right there. This color is called Salt Lyfe. Lyfe with a Y, like L-Y-F-E. That's funny. So this just looks like a nude. I know Tarte is cruelty-free. I feel like that's very pretty. So it's just this pink. It looks more like brighter pink on camera than it is in real life. It's just a really nice nude. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I love anything Tarte. It's just my favorite brand. I get sad when there's things from Tarte that I don't like, because I'm like, I want to love you. I just love Tarte so much. It's just, I don't know what it is about that brand that I like so much. And Too Faced was like my go-to for a long time. I think it's because my first like high-end palette was from Too Faced, so I just really like that brand. And I guess when I decided to go cruelty-free, Tarte was like one of the first ones that I knew like was cruelty-free, so I just kind of gravitated towards that. But yeah, so overall, I like this. I got 2 Tarte products, which is awesome. I got 3 skincare items, which is kind of a lot, but the fact that my 2 makeup items are Tarte makes up for it, and then the 1 hair item, bonus item. So yeah, I will put the values of everything down below if you care about that. And yeah, so if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up down there. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxing, more crazy dogs who are being very well behaved right now, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.